Welcome to all in your own channel NCERT e-teaching. In our channel, we bring content for education of different classes, and we also review some books or comic books in our channel. So, in this part of comic review, today I selected these issues of Amar Chitra Katha. Amar Chitra Katha is a well-known name in our country, and because most of the Amar Chitra Katha publications are originally in the English version. This version is also in English, and that is why I am making this video in English. Otherwise, for comics reviews, Raj comics review, I prefer Hindi language because most of the readers love to read these Hindi comics. So let's start our video. So I selected two issues. Valmiki Ramayana is a special issue from Amar Chitra Katha, and then another this Tulsidas Ramayana again from Amar Chitra Katha. So what is the special in these two issues, and why I selected these issues? Because there are two artists in the Raj comics. First is Pratap Mulik. See, this cover is made by Pratap Mulik ji. Pratap Mulik ji is no more in our this world, but in Raj comics, Pratap Mulik ji used to draw title covers of comics, and he also draw some or many initial issues of Nagaraj. So Pratap Mulik is very well known name if we talk about Raj comics. So I found this issue very interesting, and it is very big in size if we compare with normal Raj comics issues. If we compare with this issue, although it is rather small than normal Raj comics, but it is very big. The Valmiki Ramayana. So Valmiki Ramayana is drawn by Pratap Mulik ji. Not only this front cover, but also the internal illustration. See, script Subbarao, illustrations Pratap Mulik, and editor Anant Pai. Uh, Mr. Anant Pai is also famous by the name of Uncle Pai for in children. So you can see the classic artwork in this special issue. This special issue have 96 pages. Uh, Initial Raj comics, especially 2-in-1 comics, were also having 96 pages. So they were also considered as special issues. But yes, it is bigger in size. So you can compare this thickness with the 2-in-1 issues of Raj comics. So all illustrations are made by Pratap Malik ji. So when you see the illustrations, it will remind you the artwork of Nagaraj, the readers who are reading Raj comics, the initial issues, and that is why I was attracted toward this Chitrakatha. So we call Chitrakatha in Hindi and comics in English. So illustrations are very good. You can see. And this issue covers not in quite detail, but yes, the all over the overview of the Rama's story or the Valmiki Ramayana. And Amar Chitrakatha have several versions of Ramayana. For example, they have a one 6-part or 5-part issue also Ramayana, which is very costly. I have ordered Mahabharata from Amar Chitrakatha, and I have reviewed that also. And if you are interested in that review, you can check out that video in the playlist and by following the comment below as well. So in the description. So this is I am showing you the artwork, the quality of artwork, because when you see these type of books in cataloged in different online sites, for example Amar Chitrakatha's website or Amazon or any other online platform, so many of us have very doubts regarding the artwork, because if we talk about Raj comics, the middle age Raj comics after year 2000, in most of the books, the internal the artwork of the comics and artwork is the front cover of the front cover is almost the same artist is making that sketches. But in Amar Chitakatha, on in the initial issues of Raj comics, the front cover are designed by different artists. So by seeing only front covers, you cannot say about the quality of the comic book. So many people have very confusion regarding the page number also, because in online platforms, Amazon and Flipkart and other online platforms also, either the page numbers are not mentioned at all, or sometimes the description is not enough. So here you can see that it have 96 pages, story 95 pages, and one ad is there. In total it have 96 pages, and this cover art by Pratap Murikji, and the comic art is also by Pratap Murikji. So if you love the artwork of Pratap Mulik, you will not be disappointed by reading this version of Ramayana, which is called Valmiki Ramayana. I have an old issue which have MRP to 100, but if you check now, it will show 250 to 300. And I also purchased this issue very costly, because I have not purchased this issue originally. So actually, I had this issue which was very cheap. I think I don't remember the price, but it was only 6 rupees, 5 rupees, or 8 rupees. But that was completely degraded. So I gave that book to someone, because I was not aware about the antiqueness of that book. So I repurchased this reprint, but this is also very old. Now you will get a price mentioned 250. So I also got this in 250, not because of MRP, but because of its condition. So this is all about this version of Ramayana. Next, I have this Tulsidasa's Ramayana. It is also from Amar Chitra Katha, and it is also considered as a special issue. But apart from this, see, this version of Ramayana have 96 pages, but this Tulsidas Ramayana have 160 pages. If you compare with Raj comics nowadays, the negatives multi-star comics or the end game of Super Commando Dhruv has 160 pages, so you can have one comparison in your mind. But it have 5 comics in it, combined 5 comics combined. So 5 comics written in Amar Chitra Katha. In previous issues, there was a problem that they do not involve or include cover art. So the same way they haven't included, but they have provided some illustrations, but they are not looking like cover art. Maybe they are cover art. So actually it have 5 issues. That is why it have uh, 160 pages, because normal issue is considered as 32 pages. So in that manner, it is not a combined issue. It is a complete series, a special issue. So it have 32 into 3. It means it is 3 times bigger than normal Amar Chitragatha. Now if you see in websites now, most of them have price of 90 rupees. So in that manner, 250 is justified for this comic book. Now if we talk about Tulsidasa Ramayana, it have 5 comic books in itself. So 5 into 32, roughly it is equal to 160 pages. Now about the cover, the art cover and the art in the comic. So all comics are made by the artist, which is Dilip Kadam. Dilip Kadam is the same artist who draws Bhokal, who illustrates Bhokal in the Raj comics. So that is why I am mentioning about the Raj comics, because both of the issues have the taste of that art. This issue have the taste of Pratap Malik, which were used to make Nagaraj comics, and this issue have taste of Bhokal, because if you see the artwork, it will remind you about the Bhokal. Very good illustrations actually. So it have 5 issues. Let's find out some illustrations regarding that. So script by Margie Sastri, illustration Dilip Kadam, the same artist who draws Bhokal in Achomis, and again Uncle Pay or Anand Pay. So if we calculate roughly 30 to 32 pages, you will see new art. See, Ram in exile. So second part, Ram in exile. First part, the childhood of Ram. Second part, this is Tulsidasa's Ramayana, 160 pages. Again 32 into 2, roughly 64. So it will be 61 or 62, 63. Okay, now we have new art, the abduction of Sita, the third part. Then we have, and these two books are available in English. I have not seen the Hindi version. So another one will be on 96 pages, I think. Okay, 96 pages we have seen. Let's see, 96. Okay, so it is In Search of Sita, and roughly 120 pages. The next part will be, okay, 128 pages, 121, 25. This is Ram the Victorious. So this have roughly 5 comic books, but the page numbers are in continuation, and we see 4 cover arts inside, the 5th cover art outside. This is also a special issue, and it have price very less mentioned, but I have purchased. This is also very costly. When I saw on Flipkart, it was shown that 400. So latest set is 400 for Tulsidas Ramayana, which have 160 pages, and 250 or 300 for Valmiki Ramayana. Actually, personally, I like this cover art more compelling or promising. So if you want to try out, you can try. It will remind you old days, old type of artwork, soothing toys. But both of the stories or both of the issues are not complete, because if you want in detailed illustrations, then you should go for the collector edition of Ramayana, which have around 2,000 price. Sometimes we get discount. That is hardbound and glossy pages. So this is all about these two issues. I will also bring Hindi version of this review in my channel. You can also check that out in the description below or in the playlist. Thank you so much to all.